Welcome back to Auto Info Master, your trusted source for the most exciting automotive reviews. Today, we're diving into something truly special, the all-new 2026 Mitsubishi Motorhome. Known for their rugged reliability and innovative engineering, Mitsubishi has entered the motorhome market with a fresh, modern design that blends functionality, comfort, and futuristic technology. Whether you're a long-time road trip enthusiast or a new explorer of van life, this motorhome promises a truly elevated experience on the road. The first thing you'll notice about the 2026 Mitsubishi Motorhome is its bold exterior design. Mitsubishi has gone for a clean, contemporary look with sleek aerodynamic lines and a robust stance. The front fascia features Mitsubishi's dynamic shield grille, accented by high-intensity LED headlights and signature DRLs that give it a sharp, aggressive appearance. The windshield is panoramic, offering excellent forward visibility and enhancing the sense of openness from the driver's seat. Integrated roof rails and a solar panel array not only look great but provide added utility for off-grid living. The side profile of the motorhome emphasizes practicality with retractable steps, large tinted windows, and seamless body panels that reduce wind resistance. Mitsubishi offers a two-tone color scheme option, with matte lower cladding and high-gloss upper panels, giving it a premium look. The rear of the vehicle is equally impressive, featuring LED taillights, a wide tailgate with a built-in backup camera, and a bike rack that comes standard on select trims. When it comes to size, this Mitsubishi motorhome is compact enough to be maneuverable in urban environments yet spacious enough to live in comfortably. With a length of approximately 21 feet, it slots into the Class B+ category, striking a balance between drivability and livability. Step inside, and you're greeted by an intelligently designed interior that makes the most of every inch. Mitsubishi has incorporated natural wood textures, soft ambient lighting, and eco-friendly fabrics to create a cozy yet modern living space. The cabin is designed to feel like a mobile apartment, with a layout that flows naturally from the cockpit to the rear sleeping area. The front cabin features swivel captain chairs that rotate to face the living area, instantly expanding the usable space when parked. The dashboard is fully digital, showcasing a customizable 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and integrated navigation. Voice commands, over-the-air updates, and vehicle health monitoring are all included as part of Mitsubishi's new Smart Travel OS. Behind the cockpit, you'll find a compact yet fully equipped kitchenette with a 2-burner induction stove, a convection microwave, a 12V refrigerator, and ample overhead storage. The countertops are made from a lightweight but durable composite material, and the sink includes a pull-out faucet with both hot and cold water options. A fold-out dining table can comfortably seat two and stows away easily when not in use. The living space is well thought out, with a convertible lounge sofa that transforms into a double bed. Mitsubishi has included built-in storage under the seats, ideal for keeping travel gear organized. Above the lounge is a retractable 32-inch smart TV and a surround sound system that's perfect for movie nights or streaming your favorite shows on the go. One of the standout features is the wet bath, which includes a combined shower and toilet area with waterproof wall panels, a vent fan, and even a heated floor. It's a compact setup, but Mitsubishi has engineered it to feel surprisingly spacious. There's also an outdoor shower hookup with hot water, great for rinsing off after a hike or a day at the beach. In terms of performance, the 2026 Mitsubishi Motorhome is powered by a 2.4-liter turbocharged plug-in hybrid engine paired with dual electric motors, producing a combined output of around 270 horsepower. The powertrain is mated to an advanced CVT transmission, optimized for smooth shifting and fuel efficiency. This setup not only offers excellent torque for climbing hills or towing, but also includes regenerative braking to help recharge the battery on the go. The motorhome features Mitsubishi's Super All-Wheel Control System, which intelligently distributes power to each wheel based on traction conditions. This ensures safe handling in rain, snow, or off-road scenarios. Whether you're navigating a winding mountain road or cruising down the freeway, this motorhome delivers a confident, comfortable ride. On electric power alone, the vehicle offers an EV-only range of about 40 miles, perfect for city driving or short trips without burning any fuel. When using the hybrid system, the total driving range exceeds 500 miles, giving you the freedom to explore without constantly refueling. A level 2 charging port is included, and fast charging capability means you can recharge to 80% in under 40 minutes at compatible stations. The suspension is tuned for comfort, with an independent setup and adaptive dampers that adjust to road conditions in real time. Noise insulation has been improved throughout the cabin, ensuring a quiet and serene driving experience even at highway speeds. Tech-wise, Mitsubishi hasn't held back. The motorhome is equipped with a full suite of safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. There's also a smart key system with push-button start, remote climate control, and even a mobile app that lets you monitor battery levels, vehicle location, and interior temperature from your phone. Now let's talk pricing. Mitsubishi has positioned this motorhome to be competitive in the growing compact RV segment. The base model starts at around $78,000, while higher trims with additional features like solar packages, leather seating, upgraded audio systems, and larger battery capacity can push the price close to $98,000. While this might seem high, it's actually very reasonable when compared to other Class B+ motorhomes on the market, especially when you factor in Mitsubishi's renowned reliability and hybrid efficiency. For those interested in customization, Mitsubishi offers several add-on packages, including an off-road package with upgraded tires and skid plates, an adventure pack with roof tents and bike carriers, and a luxury pack that includes massage seats, premium interior materials, and a 600Ah lithium-ion battery upgrade. Overall, the 2026 Mitsubishi Motorhome represents a bold and impressive entry into the RV world. It's packed with smart features, modern styling, and a hybrid drivetrain that sets it apart from traditional gas-powered options. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a cross-country adventure, this motorhome offers a new level of freedom and flexibility. So, what do you think about the 2026 Mitsubishi Motorhome? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Auto Infomaster, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from the world of automobiles and futuristic travel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next ride.